No Muslim ever make this dua except Allah will answer it. Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam passed. Abu Bakr radiallahu anhu passed. Now Umar is the Khalifa. So he said, remember one day we were sitting with Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam. He said, I want to teach you a dua. No Muslim لم يدعو به مسلم قط إلا استجاب الله له. Hadith is in Tirmidhi. No Muslim ever made this dua except Allah will answer. And all of a sudden a Bedouin came and distracted Rasulullah and he left without telling us. Until this day I'm thinking, what was that dua? So Sa'ad, who's Sa'ad by the way? What's Sa'ad's relationship to Rasulullah? He's from his mother's side, uncle. So Sa'ad said, yes, I remember. Of course, I was there. So he said, I followed Rasulullah that day. And I asked him, Ya Rasulullah, you said something and any dua that will be answered. And then this Bedouin stood up and you got distracted and you never told us. What was that dua? So Rasulullah said, that was the dua of my brother Yunus alayhi salam. La ilaha illa anta subhanaka inni kuntu min al-zalimin. Sheikh bin Baz rahimahullah said, after you finish and make your dua, whatever you want, end it by La ilaha illa anta subhanaka inni kuntu min al-zalimin. For example, Ya Allah, cover my debt. Ya Allah, cure me. Ya Allah, guide my son. Ya Allah. And then at the end it by saying, La ilaha illa anta subhanak inni kuntu min al-zalimin. Say it with yaqeen, with certainty that Rasulullah promised that the dua will be answered.